Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now in today's video, we have something very special to unbox. I personally have not even seen the device yet, so we're going to do a live unboxing right in front of the camera right here. And that device today is actually Realme's brand new C35. Now this device is actually a budget or an entry-level device, but according to Realme, it will come with a very nice, beautiful design. So I'm very excited to see how good this device actually looks like. Now before we begin and checking out this device, pricing wise, it's worth pointing out that I don't actually have the price for this device yet, but it will be sold here in Malaysia starting from Monday, which I'll put the links down below so you can find out more about that. Alright, so let's check out this Realme C35 and what's in the box. Alright, before I actually unbox this, I should also mention a couple of key specifications that is at the back. Realme is saying that it comes with a 50 megapixel AI triple camera. You also have a 6.6-inch 1080p IPS LCD. It also comes in an 8.1mm ultra slim body, and last but not least, it has a 5000 mAh massive battery. Alright guys, done with the specs. Let's unbox this Realme C35 right now. So we're just going to put the knife in, showing this for proof that this is really not unboxed yet, and peeling off the plastics very quickly so you can see the box. This is the box, right? Okay, so we're going to unbox it right now, and okay, it's a bit tough to get it out, and there we go. Right up, you do have the "Hey, welcome to Realme family," like how we see in all Realme boxes. So we're going to remove this for now. It does not come with a case in the box, guys. This is quite surprising. But next up, we do have the device itself, which I'm going to take it out right now, and this is the device, but I'm going to put this down because we want to see what else came in the box. Obviously, we do have the Type-C cable, and last but not least, you have that 5V charger. So that's all that came in the box. It's a Type-A kind of charger, as you can see here. Now, we're going to focus on the Realme C35. As you can see, my version is the green one, but I'm going to unwrap this so you can take a closer look very quickly. And this is how it looks like, guys. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm going to take a quick look. Wow, it does look pretty attractive. I think the color is something to do with green, but let me just peel off this sticker at the back because we don't want that sticker disturbing our view of the beautiful design. So now that I've got that away, wow guys, it does look very nice. And I must say something, guys, we do have flat sides all over here, so it's going to feel very premium. It does feel premium on my first impressions, definitely have a little bit of heft to it. I think it's approximately 190 grams. I kind of googled that, but yeah, it looks very cool. You have this, everything in green, and in terms of the camera cutout, guys, it's sort of a transparent, semi-transparent kind of a camera cutout. The bump is actually very flush, and you can see the triple AI camera led by the 50 megapixel main sensor. So it does look very nice, very sleek. In terms of the back panel, I'm not too sure what kind of material that is. I'm not sure if it's glass or if it's just plastics, but it feels great here. It is a kind of a glossy material, and if you notice, if I tilt it from side to side, you might see a little bit of like light shifting here and there, but it's very subtle. I like the fact that it's not too over the top in terms of the design. Overall, I just think it's a great looking device here. Very clean on the top. Nothing at all, guys, on the top panel. On the left here, you do have your two individual volume cutout buttons, and on the right, you actually have your lock button, and I heard that it is also a fingerprint sensor. Now, the good thing, if you take a closer look at this lock button here, you'll notice that it is indent slightly inwards, and that's actually very cool because when you just move your finger around the sides, you can actually find out the button even easier. So I think that's a very nice touch by Realme. At the bottom, you do have your headphone jack remaining. You have that speaker. I'm not sure if it's stereo speaker yet. I gotta check that out, but overall, just a very nice looking device, the Realme C35, guys. So right now, I'm going to power on this device very quickly so I can show you a little bit more. But just a couple more specifications that you should know is that, yes, in terms of the cameras, we have a 50 megapixel main sensor, you have a 2 megapixel black and white sensor, and you have another 2 megapixel macro lens. So obviously, yes, I know, we're going to be focusing on the main 50 megapixel sensor. Apart from that, like I said earlier on, battery-wise, we have a 5000 milliamp hour battery. It supports up to 18-watt fast charge, and you can see it's actually quite a slim profile, like I mentioned just now. So having that 5000 mAh battery in here is definitely a good thing because you're going to expect to have very good battery life. In terms of the processor, I think you guys might be wondering what is powering the Realme C35. And that is actually a Unisoc T616 processor. I know many of you might not be familiar with that, but basically it's an entry-level budget kind of processor. You can't expect a lot of power, but it will definitely be sufficient to get you through your daily needs. If you're just using this phone as a spare phone, giving it to someone who is on their first smartphone or something like that, the Unisoc T616 might be able to help them out. But I will be testing this out so I can tell you more about that. Alright, so at the front here, display-wise, yes, the device is still powering up. We do have a 6.6-inch 1080p LCD display like I mentioned earlier on. There's no fancy kind of refresh rates. Again, guys, this is a budget phone that's supposed to look good, and that's what it does best. So that's what I can share with you guys today about the Realme C35. Of course, I'll be testing this out, and if you do have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. If you did like this video and you want to support the channel, all you need to do is just drop a like and sub to the channel, and that would be super awesome. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye!